So hello everyone and welcome back to another Curbal Data Labs video, and in this video I'm going to make an announcement. We are going to start a new series called Data Explorations, where we're going to do just exactly that. We are going to explore different ways to visualize data, and we're going to do it in categories. The first category that we're going to explore is how to compare two or more variables. So here's the thing, I have been doing this in the background and I've been showing you the bits and pieces I've created things. Some of the visualizations you've already seen, for example here the proportional plot, you've seen how to create these. I will link down below if you want to the Charticulator series so you see everything. But some of them you haven't seen. For example, let me show you the work I'm doing. I have this one to show the exports and imports by continent and by country. I have this one that you've probably seen. This is a rank over time of the exports or imports. You can choose whichever you want. I have here another one as a lollipop chart to show the imports in amount. I have another one for visualizing the outliers, when the data is way too big and it skews all your data. I have another one, Sankey charts, which I find quite difficult to visualize properly when there's more than one category. This is another version. Not sure if I showed you this already. And then this one I was going to show you today, but I realized that it's probably better that I say what I'm actually doing, and you can join me on it if you want. So if you want to join me on my exploration journey of how to compare two or more variables using data and visualization, data visualization, I have a plan. So what I think we could do is on Tuesday next week on Curbal channel, I'm going to show you how to get this data. This is open data that you can get using the new SDMX connector that was launched on Power BI Desktop this month. So I will show you how to get this data. You can grab it in Power BI and you can do your own explorations, or you can follow mine as you like. So if you do your own exploration and you want to show me how to do it and show everybody, so you have a few options for how to share that. I have here one on our Curbal Data Labs Discord channel. I have opened a data exploration compared to more variables. You can share your file there, you can share images, whatever you feel comfortable sharing of, hey, we could also visualize the data like that, and I can add it to the Power BI file, which could be quite cool. Otherwise, you can reach me on LinkedIn. We have a LinkedIn group. I will post a link also down below. So you can share like, oh, I've been playing with the data and we can also compare two values like this. And then you can use Excel. You can use any tool that you want. It doesn't have to be Charticulator or Power BI. I do it in there because those are the tools I use. But you can use anything. It doesn't matter. If you do something in Excel, I'll try to do it in Charticulator so I can also learn how to do it basically. So the purpose of these, or the reason why I've been doing it, is because I want to learn more about data visualization. I want to go beyond the traditional charts, the bar charts, line charts, area charts, where there's nothing wrong with them. I just want to see what else is out there, to explore it, to see what other ways I could visualize the data, that in some particular cases it might be more useful to do it in a non-traditional way rather than a traditional way. And also depending on the audience, I might be able to do that more comfortably because I know that they will be able to read the charts. So it will be to learn data visualization. It will be also to, extend my capabilities on how to work with Charticulator, hopefully yours too, and also with Power BI or Excel or whatever tool or choice you have. So I'm really looking forward to this. If you want this Power BI file that I have, just let me know. I can give you everything. I would recommend you though that you create it yourself, chart by chart by chart, as I have been doing, because you learn so much more. It will give you so much more than just getting the graph and trying to figure out how I do it. Just follow the tutorials that I already have and create it yourself. You will learn a ton. That's how I've been learning Charticulator, and it's been very, very useful. But if you still don't want to do it, just let me know and I will put the file on Curbal Download Center and then you can go grab it there. That's absolutely fine with me. So yeah, this is all. Remember, Next week, I will show you how to get the data. I will give you the links to all the videos that I have already, or the tutorials, particular tutorials that I have already done. If you're using Excel, reproduce them in Excel or Tableau or whatever you want. And I'm looking forward to see what ways you use to compare two values or more. And if not, maybe you will be able to see the ways that I think you can use to compare two values or more. So really looking forward to that. And I will see you next week, where we will do I'm not sure if you want me to go first through all these charts in particular so you know how to create them, or you want me to continue exploring. Just give me your thoughts about how you want to do it, and I will decide next week what way to go. Okay, so looking forward to what you create. See you next week. Until then, take care.